was able to host the Syncora breakout session this afternoon, and it was an incredible opportunity to share a little bit about Syncora and the different bridges of partnership that we have to engage. When we think about commercialization opportunities, when we think about our venture fund and our partnership program, there are many opportunities that we can think about and get creative on ways that we can engage with the different people in the room. It was also a wonderful opportunity to learn a little bit more in a more intimate setting about the different innovators and about their missions and problems that they're trying to solve. All in all, I'm inspired to walk back and take this with me to Syncora to think about new ways that we can bridge together.
I've just concluded a workshop with a bunch of the startups that are here at i3 Access to Markets. It was a great experience, and the reason I say so is it's a great opportunity to bring together startups with partners like ourselves so we can each explain our priorities, our challenges, and the language we use to increase the probability of a match. When I say a match, I mean a deal being made that'll help us both achieve our objectives.
We're really excited to be here at the i3 Access to Markets conference. It's been amazing so far. I think for me, the sessions engaging directly with the partners and the donors has been really helpful, knowing what problems they're trying to solve, knowing how we can position our innovations to be able to address those problems, and then knowing the fastest pathway to funding too has been really crucial for us.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, similarly, it has been interesting to see that the solution that we've built can actually scale to the communities that deserve it the most and actually reach potentially millions of people, but more importantly, also just ensure that we have the right partners, and I think that's what i3 brings to the table. So it's been a great past 3 days, right? Just actually, speaking to potential partners and seeing, what we could actually, do together to transform healthcare in Africa. And we're super excited.
Yeah.
For speed networking, what we wanted to do was to have our i3 cohort of 29 innovators in the same room, pre-matched prior to the Access to Markets event with partners and sponsors who want to explore ways to work with the innovators. We had over 190 meetings happen in one day with the 29 innovators. Innovators could meet donors, sponsors, investors. It was a powerful room. The energy was really high, and we look forward to the magic that will come out of it.